Meghalaya's Social Welfare Department, through its DREAM Drugs Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission project, partnered with the Indian Drug Users Forum and Meghalaya Users Forum to mark International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. The theme, Evidence is Clear, Invest in Prevention, was highlighted. Paul Lingdor, Minister of Social Welfare, who was the chief guest, said that Commissioner and Secretary of Meghalaya Social Welfare, Praveen Bakshi, and the President of Drug Users Forum, KP Izung, spoke at the event.
Resonates deeply, and today we will.
Good afternoon, friends.
To all of you to put forth.
Thank you very much, Sri. As I now invite Mr. KP.
No amount of developmental activities, no amount of investment in tourism, no amount of investment in the road sector can yield the desired results if all our initiatives are towards facilitating and creating infrastructure for a generation of drug addicts and alcoholics. It would defeat the very purpose of even having